Hey everyone, here is a quick tutorial on how to make a fabric pumpkin. A pumpkin you have existing in your collection, perhaps it's a real pumpkin, perhaps it's a fabric one, totally fine either way. And to find out the size that you want, you're going to want to measure from here, from the stem all the way down to the middle. So this one's about 9 inches, and then all the way around. This pattern has 8 panels. So the measurement you get here, 24 inches, divide that by 8, that you would have roughly 8 3-inch panels that go all the way around. I'm going to use this as my pattern piece. Since I want this pumpkin to be the same size as the one I measured, I'm going to make this pattern piece 9 inches long and 4 inches wide. If you wanted your pumpkin to be a different size, height, width, just modify these measurements. Same thing with the shape of the pumpkin. If you want it to be more round and bulbous, then you would make it wider here. Or if you wanted it just more of a skinny, basic pumpkin, make it less round here.